Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
In some of the lectures we have discussed, previous lectures we have discussed about the properties of DFT, and we have solved examples related to the properties, and also we have discussed down circular convolution, and we have discussed the types of circular convolution. The types of circular convolution, first type is concentric circle method, then second one is matrix approach method, and third one is DFT IDFT method. Hope everyone has understood this. No one has any question on this part. Is anyone has a question on this part?
No, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss some more properties of this DFT. That first one is, let us understand this time reversal of a sequence. You please note down the statement of this. If we take a DFT of a sequence called as x of n, then we are getting the answer as x of k. Then time reversal, as we all know that it is a folding of a sequence. So if you fold a circularly sequence, this is what the notation we are calling it is x of modulo minus n. So this is a circularly folded sequence I'm just calling. This is a circularly folded sequence, or which can be written as simply x of n minus n. And if you take its DFT, you will get a circularly folded in frequency domain also, or else it can be written as x of n minus k. So that means if any circularly folded sequence DFT you are taking, then the same circular folded sequence we will get in the frequency domain. That's what a meaning of this time reversal sequence. Please note down this statement and then we will understand the proof. The proof is again, as we know that according to the definition of DFT, here we are writing this way. That is, this is, as I mentioned, this is on the left side of our statement what we are taken. That is x of modulo minus n is indicating, here it is indicating a circularly folded sequence. So this part we are calling it as circularly folded sequence, or it is represented as simply x of n minus n. So if I take its DFT, so according to the definition of DFT, क्या लिख रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे? So DFT of x of n minus n will be equals to, this is our time domain function. This is a time domain function, is equals to n equals to 0 to n minus 1. Here I am just writing that time domain function same multiplied with this e power minus j 2 pi by n kn. This is according to the definition of DFT we are writing. Definition of DFT. Right. Now here, as I want this function to be reduced to the single variable, because it is n minus n, here capital N is also variable and small n is also variable. I want to reduce it to the single variable. So I am making some assumptions here. So here I am just taking m equals to n minus n. Then if n is 0, in this case, as the first case, if n is 0, then the limit will become m equals to n. M equals to n. And if n equals to n minus 1, then the limit will become m equals to, it is 1, that is n minus n plus 1. So that means, so this part is added with, so here small n value I am just replacing, this n is there, this small n I am just replacing it as n minus 1, as minus is outside, so it will become n minus n plus 1, so will be equals to 1. So by just modifying, or just by putting m equals to n minus n, the summation value will get changed. So that is, the summation value will be from m equals to n to 1. Getting this point? Any question here?
No question.
Okay. Then next, hope you are writing this parallelly also. Can I
Yes,
proceed
sir.
to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then here see, like DFT of x of n minus n equals to, तो यहाँ पे लिमिट चेंज होगा आपका, m equals to n to n x of m e power minus j 2 pi by n k. and the small n value becomes, as here we have taken, it is, as we have taken m equals to n minus n, m equals to capital N minus small n, then we are writing this value, which implies that the value of capital small n is equals to what we are going to write? We are going to write it as n minus m. So that's what I have replaced it here. So here it is replaced by the value n minus m. So now here you just look at this part. So if we change the summation value, so क्या हो
गुड
रहा
मॉर्निंग
है?
सर हाँ हाँ चालतं 11ला सरला पाहिजे
Hello,
हां
any problem?
ते नाही रे ते फक्त दाखवायला लागतं तिथं बसतो आवाज आवाज कसं काय जातो या
हेलो, कौन है भाई? Please mute yourself, or else if you have any question, you just ask me, or any problem, you just discuss with me. Don't discuss yourself. Okay, so then again, तो यहाँ पे क्या समझ में आता है कि like what it is understood is, so if I take a limit as, if I take a limit as 0 plus n as the initial value, मतलब ये पहला का वैल्यू अगर 0 है, and this limit is this one 0 plus n, and then next limit if I take a next limit as, if I take a next limit as, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है अभी, if it is okay, let's proceed to the next slide, there we will understand. तो यहाँ पे I'm just writing this value, right? So this is how we are getting the summation value. So m equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of m e power minus j 2 pi by n k n of m, because as this x of n minus n is a circular convolution, like we have seen in the last lectures, we have understood in the last lecture. So if your limit is getting changed, right, as it is circular convolution, तो एक का limit है आपका, if you look at into here, the summation limit value is n equals to 1 है, m equals to n to 1 एक limit है, and then this is n equals to 0 to n minus 1. So in that case, what is happening here is, if you take the value here, let's write the next value as, like अगर आप इस यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं, like suppose if I am writing the value as this value, क्या हो रहा है? Okay, so here the next value, if I am taking it as, this is the initial value and the next value is n plus n minus 1. This is the next value, means this is the initial value and this is the next value. So इसका limit क्या होगा अभी, n to n minus 1. So even if you change the limit value, but its meaning is giving the same. So that is the limit value we are writing it as m equals to 0 to n minus 1. So that's what it is written in the next case. As it is a circular convolution, यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं अभी. The summation is preferred from 0 to n minus 1. That is for n sample. If the index is changed from 0 plus n to n minus 1 plus n, the limits are same. So that means we are writing it as m equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of m e power minus j 2 pi by n k n m. So then if you simplify this further, so here if you simplify this further, so यहाँ पे if I take this separate common, so m equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of m e power minus j 2 pi k, this n get cancels and e power minus j 2 pi k m by n. So what is the value of this part? Can anyone tell me? इसका value क्या होगा? E power minus j 2 pi k will be always, what is that? E power minus j 2 pi k, what will be its value? It is always 1.
1.
Right. So therefore, I'm just writing it as x of m e power j 2 pi k m by n. Then next, further, as this is not our formula. What is the formula of DFT? Here we want a minus sign. So to get minus sign here, let us do some multiplications here. So multiply RHS means this part by e power minus j 2 pi m. And then as this value is 1, so doesn't make any difference in the answer again. So further, by multiplying that, I'm just writing this way. So summation m equals to 0 to n minus 1, x of m e power minus j 2 pi k m by n is multiplied with e power minus j 2 pi m. Now here we are taking the common terms. So e power minus j 2 pi m into n minus k by n. So now this is like our DFT formula. So this can be written as simply x of n minus k, right? This is what the proof required, because this is according to the definition of DFT. That is, we are writing it as simply x of n minus k. So that is what our statement. So that means here this is how, as we know that if we take a DFT of x of n minus n, then we are getting it as x of n minus k, or simply it is x of modulo minus kn. So this is the way how we are proving with the time reversal of a sequence. Hope you understood. Any question in this part?
No question, sir.
Okay. So now hope you are writing this. लिख लिया सब लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about a time reversal of a sequence. You need to remember these properties. The statement for this is, if you take a DFT of, what is the statement? If you take a DFT of x of n minus n, then we are getting this will be equals to x of n minus k, or in other way how we are writing it is, if I take a DFT of x of modulo minus n, this is small n will be equals to x of modulo minus k n it is. So this is what a statement of time reversal of a sequence. A time reversal is like a folding of a sequence. Time reversal of a sequence it is. Right? This is how about a time reversal property. Then let us understand one more property, circular time shift of a sequence. Please note down the title as circular time shift of a sequence. Time shift, what is the meaning of time shift? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of time shift? कोई बता सकते हैं मुझे टाइम शिफ्ट का मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of time shift or time delay? क्या मीनिंग है उसका? Hello? We have discussed already time shift in terms of linear operation. Yes or no? Hope I am audible clearly.
Yes, sir.
तो टाइम शिफ्ट का क्या मीनिंग है यहाँ पे? What is the meaning of time shift? Can I get an answer? What is time shift? Who will tell me the answer, or should I take the name? तुम्ही का टिल्डा लावल्याशिवाय बोलत नाही वाटतंय. Right. Amol is there? Amol? Amol Gopne. So when you are not answering, then why should you be in the lecture? Shruti? Shruti Binge? Shruti, are you there? See how am I audible? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? हेलो हेलो, hope I am audible to all. पाटिल,
Yes, sir. Audible.
ये दूसरों को क्यों सुनाई नहीं दे रहा? अमोल, are you there? Everyone is taking a benefit of situation. But ultimately, they are the sufferers. Okay. Can anyone tell me time shift का क्या मतलब है? Patil, can you tell me time shift? What is time shift?
Yes, sir. मतलब one में shift होगा वो.
हाँ?
मतलब T0.
हाँ, that's what, like already we have discussed the time shift property. It is like x of t minus t0. बराबर?
Yes, sir. Yes,
तो
sir.
यहाँ पे the shift is depending upon this t0. That is the linear shift we have done. Right? So if the t0 value is positive, where the signal is shifting?
Right side.
Right side. If the t0 is negative, the signal is shifting towards the left side.
Left side.
This is linearly we have discussed. Here in the same format, we are discussing with circular part. So that's what a title is, circular time shift of a sequence. So please note down this title. Again, this first line will remain same like x of n. If you take a DFT, we are getting x of k. Here, x of modulo n minus L. So the difference in linear and circular is, for linear one we are using one bracket, like one, what bracket we will call it is parenthesis, right? And here the double we are using, that is the difference, right? So that is, and this operation we are calling it is, this is how we are reading as x of modulo n minus L n, or this is a circular shift operation we are calling, circular time shift operation. And if I take its DFT in a circular time shift operation, then in frequency domain, we are getting a DFT multiplied with the term e power minus j 2 pi k L by n. Right? This is what a statement. So the shifting in time domain will be equals to, we are getting the answer as a DFT, that is x of k multiplied with some phase factor. So it is e power minus j 2 pi k L by n. So this is the proof. Sorry, this is the statement. So let us understand the proof. We have here, again, according to the definition of DFT, x of k equals to n equals to 0 to n minus 1, x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n by n. And again here the term which we are using, like here I am just having the left side as x of modulo n minus Ln. So the same thing I have taken it here, n equals to 0 to n minus 1, this part remains same, and here this I have substituted as it is, and this part is multiplied here like e power minus j 2 pi k n by n. And so this function I am just splitting in two values. So one is, we are writing it as L equals to 0 to, that is n equals to 0 to L minus 1 plus n equals to L to n minus 1. So we are writing it in this way. Hope everyone is clear है? वहां पे दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Are you getting this? I think that summation value दिख रहा है. That is n equals to L. It's not 0. So it's n equals to 0 to L minus 1. X of n modulo n minus L n e power minus j 2 pi k n plus. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम? This is the part which we are just considering as a circular convolution. ये अपना circular convolution time shift है ये. This is what circular convolution of a, sorry, circular time shift we are calling, not a convolution here. Circular time shift of this part. और ये अपना normal way में हम लिख रहे हैं, right? I am just splitting that in this way. So here, if you look at it, this part, n equals to 0 to L minus 1. Suppose if we have like L is equals to 2. मतलब क्या हुआ अभी? What does it mean? If L is 2, what does it indicate? The sequence is shifted by the two samples, right? Then next is further. So here let us understand this as the value we are considering this way. So like this we are writing it in this way. तो यहाँ पे कैसा लिख रहा है हम इसको अभी कि x of n minus L modulo n, this already while discussing the symmetry property, there we understood that like x of modulo n minus L, n can be written as x of n minus L plus n. So here I am just writing n equals to 0 to L minus 1, x of modulo n minus L n e power minus j 2 pi k n by n is equals to n equals to 0 to L minus 1, and this value is replaced by this. So it is x of n minus L plus n. Or this part we are considering, this complete part we are considering is equals to m. Okay, so if I consider that this part will be equals to m, and by substituting there will be change in the limit also, right? तो यहाँ पे हम कैसा लिख सकते हैं अभी, if m is equals to, I am taking n minus L plus n, right? So what is first limit? First limit is n equals to 0. तो क्या होगा अपना limit? M equals to n minus L will be the first part, right? This is if n equals to 0. Then second, if n is equals to, we have L minus 1, then what will happen? It will be like m equals to n minus L. For this n, I am just substituting, this is L minus 1 it is, right? So plus L minus 1. So this L get cancelled, so which will be equals to, again it is n minus 1. तो ये लिमिट यहाँ पे आ गया, राइट? समझ में आया लिमिट कैसा चेंज हुआ? हाउ वी आर गेटिंग द लिमिट?
Yes, sir.
Now this I am writing x of m, and if here the value of this n is equals to, we are substituting it as m plus L, right? So e power minus j 2 pi k m plus L by n. So then further, the second part of our previous equation, if this you look at into this part, let us call this equation as 1. तो इसको हम अगर 1 इक्वेशन बोल रहे हैं, so if I am calling this as 1, so first part we have simplified, and second part of equation we can write it in this way: n equals to L to n minus 1, x of n minus L e power minus j 2 pi k by n. तो यहाँ पे अभी if I substitute n minus L is equals to m again, so what we are going to write? If I substitute n minus L, that is m equals to n minus L, then first limit is what? What is the first limit we are having? N equals to L. If our n equals to m is the first limit, if n equals to L, then क्या होगा? m equals to क्या होगा अभी? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? What will be the value of m? Anybody? What will be the value of m? The n equals to L. तो यहाँ पे अगर L लिखा मैंने, L can cancel, so it will be 0. ठीक है? तो दूसरा लिमिट क्या होगा? If we have n equals to, sorry, this is small n. If I have, this is small n. If n is equals to n minus 1 is there, then what will happen to the m value? M equals to n minus 1 minus L. तो ये चीज यहाँ पे आ गया, right? Understood how the limit is getting changed?
Yes, sir.
Now this is x of m into e power minus j 2 pi k m plus L by n हो गया. तो अभी अगर आप, let us call this is equation 2 and this is equation 3, right? Equation 2 और equation 3 होगा. Then दोनों inner part are same, तो ये और ये दोनों same है, right? Yes or no? ये दोनों पार्ट सेम है इक्वेशन 2 और 3 के. सो उसके लिए हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? As we know the limit we require is m equals to 0 to n minus 1. तो इसके लिए I'm just writing it is m equals to 0 to n minus 1, x of m e power minus j 2 pi k m plus L by n, which covers both the sequences, right? And further we can simplify it this way further. So this is how, what we are going to write is the value we are writing, or finally we are writing the answer as. So this is how, same as, if you simplify this further, तो इसको आगे कैसा लिखेंगे हम अभी? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, see, so this is x of k into e power minus j 2 pi kl, because if I simplify this part, तो इसको अगर आप simplify करेंगे, so what we will get is So if I simplify this, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? This is equals to summation m equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of m into ये पार्ट अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई किए e पावर माइनस j 2 pi k m आ गया, this is m into divided by n is there, right, into e power minus j 2 pi k l by n, right, and this is same as our definition of DFT. This is same as our definition of DFT. So because of that, what I'm writing the final answer is, we're writing it as, finally, if we take a DFT of x of modulo n minus L, then this will be equals to x of k DFT multiplied with the term e power minus j 2 pi k L by n. So this is what we are calling it as circular time shift of a sequence. Understood? Any question here in the proof?
No question, sir.
Can others give me the responses, please? Only like 1 or 2 candidates are giving responses. Then third property is circular frequency shift. It is just same as our previous property, and I'm not going to prove this property here because just a reverse way we have to do, right? So here this is circular frequency shift. Previous one we have discussed circular time shift. Here if you take x of n, its DFT is x of k. Then तो यहाँ पे वहां पे क्या था, अपना फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन के साथ फेज मल्टीप्लाई था, और यहाँ पे टाइम डोमेन के साथ फेज इज मल्टीप्लाइंग. सो वी आर राइटिंग x of n into e power j 2 pi n by n. If you take its DFT, there will be a shift in frequency domain. This is what we are calling it as a circular frequency shift. So you please note down this statement. Shifting the frequency components of DFT circularly is equivalent to multiplying the time domain sequence by e power j 2 pi n by n. So this is how about the additional properties of DFT, we can call it is. So let us summarize here the properties which we have discussed. First one we have discussed. Which one we have discussed? First property. Can anyone summarize? Tell me the summary.
टाइम रिवर्सल.
Time reversal of a sequence. Statement क्या है उसका? What is the statement? If I take a DFT of x of modulo minus n is equals to, this can be written as x of n minus k. You may expect this as an MCQ question also again. Statement of circular time shift property, or else this can be written as x of modulo minus kn. This is the first part we have discussed, right? And what about second one? Second property which we have discussed?
सर्कुलर
Circular time shift. तो क्या किया वहां पे? If we have x of modulo n minus L n, तो इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या आ रहा है आपका? x of k into e power minus j 2 pi k L by n, right? So this is time reversal property, and this is a circular time shift property. This is a circular time shift property. And third one is circular frequency shift property. Here we have the statement x of n e power j 2 pi n by n is equals to, if you take its DFT, we are writing it as x of modulo k minus L n. So now we will solve some examples related to these properties. So we will solve some examples related to these properties. Hope you understood the properties here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us take down the questions for the example. You just take this question. Consider the finite length sequence. Please note down the question. Consider the finite length sequence x of n. Consider the finite length sequence x of n in figure A. In figure A, the 5-point DFT of x of n, the 5-point DFT of x of n is denoted by the 5-point DFT of x of n is denoted by x of k is denoted by x of k, full stop. Plot the sequence whose DFT is y of k is equals to e power minus 4 pi k by 5 x of k, e power minus 4 pi k by 5 into x of k. You take diagram also, then we will solve the example. Noted the question? Sorry. Yes, have you noted the question?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करते हैं हम इसको. So let me take it this way. So what it is given? It is given that y of k is equals to e power minus 4 pi k by 5 into x of k. And what is the diagram he has given is, the diagram is this one. तो यहाँ पे 0 पे एम्पलीट्यूड कितना है आपका? It's 1.
1.
Then next at 1 it has amplitude 2. Then at 2 this is 0, 1, 2. At 2 the amplitude is again 2, and at 3 the amplitude is 1. Then at 4 it is 0. Okay, because it's a 5-point question, like this is what we are writing it as x of n with respect to n. Now let's write a solution for this. Here, let me write a solution. By looking at the diagram, can you tell me the x of n values? What is the sequence we will get? What is the sequence? Sequence क्या लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे?
1, 2, 2,
1,
1, 0.
2, 2, 1, 0, as it is 5-point. Correct? Yes or no? Now, this is y of k equals to e power minus 4 pi k by, actually here j is required. J is missing here. You please note down that j pi k, j 4 pi k by 5. Okay. Now, using circular time shift property, according to the circular time shift property, we can write according to circular time shift property, or using circular time shift property. What is the statement of circular time shift property? Statement क्या है? Using circular time shift property, circular time shift property. What is the statement? X of modulo n minus L, x of modulo n minus L, n is equals to x of k into e power minus j 2 pi k L by n. बराबर? Yes or no? Hello? This is the
Yes,
statement
sir.
of circular time shift property. Okay. Statement of circular time shift property. Now, by using this given equation, we need to identify the value of L, or we need to calculate the value of L. तो अभी हमें इसको ऐसा मॉडिफाई करना है कि दिस विल बी रिमेनिंग द सेम एज पर द गिवन क्वेश्चन. तो n का वैल्यू कितना है अभी? व्हाट इज कैपिटल N हियर? कोई बता सकता है मुझे?
5.
5 है. तो मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं अभी यहाँ पे इसको? x ऑफ मॉडुलो n माइनस L 5 is equals to x of k e power. How I can write? ये हमें मुझे ये तो फिक्स फार्मूला है अपना, इसको तो हम चेंज कर ही नहीं सकते, राइट? सो तो n इक्वल्स टू 5 है तो 5 रखना ही है वहां पे. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन राइट इट इन दिस वे, e पावर माइनस j 2 pi k into 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 लिख सकता मैं इसको. Yes or no? Hope you are getting how I am writing this 2 here.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 है, it is like 4 pi k is there. So this value I am just writing it as here it is 4 pi k. So this 4 is I have split it into two value. So what is the value of L here? L का वैल्यू कितना है अभी? L value is 2. Hope you understood this. यहाँ पे कि किसी को कोई डाउट? Anybody has question here?
No, sir.
No question.
Okay. Now, so this part I can write it as y of n is equals to, मैं इसको क्या लिख सकता हूँ अभी? x of modulo n minus L. L is how much? 2, 5. Can I write it this way? Y of n equals to x of modulo n minus L is there. So this part, so I am writing it is L equals to 2. Now I wanted to calculate the values. Y of 0. So y of 0 equals to, I can write it as x of modulo 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 5, which can be written as, क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको? This 5 minus 2 can be written as x of 3, which will be equals to, x of 3 का वैल्यू हमें पता है. What is the value of x of 3?
1.
It is 1 from the given question. Next, y of 1, which is equals to x of modulo 1 minus 2, 5, which is equals to, कितना आएगा आंसर? Can you tell me the answer of this? X of 1 minus 2, कितना हुआ? It is minus 1. So 5 minus 1,
4.
it is 4. X of 4 value is how much?
0.
0. Okay. Then next, y of 2 is equals to x of modulo 2 minus 2, 5, which is equals to 2 minus 2 is 0. So 5 minus 0. How much it is?
5. 0.
X of 5, which is equals to
0.
जीरो नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, एज इट इज अ सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन. So how do you write this?
1.
Yes, it will go again. The value will be equals to, इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा, x of 0 का वैल्यू होगा, right? So which will be equals to again 1. Getting my point? How we are writing this?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? ये किसी को डाउट है? बिकॉज इट इज सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन अगेन, राइट? तो अगर एक सर्कल को हम यहाँ पे इक्वल डिवाइड किए, लाइक 5 पार्ट, राइट? दिस इज 0 1 2 3 4 और ये 5 आ गया. देन अगेन इट इज 6, अगेन इट इज 7 8 9, ऐसे रिपीट होते जाएगा वो, एज इट इज अ सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन. क्लियर? आया समझ में? Now, can you calculate further values?
Yes, sir.
Please calculate further values and tell me.
Next value 2.
Y of 3 का वैल्यू कितना आया? Y of 3 is equals to, I am writing it as x of modulo 3 minus 1 5, which will be equals to 3 minus, sorry, it is 2, 3 minus 2, मतलब क्या हुआ अभी? 6 हुआ. So which is equivalent to what? This is x of 6, which is equivalent to value of what?
X of 1.
X of 1, which will be equals to, the answer is, x of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 2 है. Similarly, calculate further values. Please calculate the further values. Y of 4 कितना आया?
2.
Again further y of 4 is equals to, we have it is x of modulo 4 minus 2 5, which will be equals to x of 7, or which is equivalent to x of 2. The value is again 2, right? 5 सैंपल हो गए अपने. Right? So this is the way how we can calculate the values. So I can write y of n is equals to, y of n क्या लिख सकते हैं अभी? What is the sequence here? The first value is 1 0, then 1 2 2, right? This is my y of n now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you plot this y of n? Y of n को हम plot कैसे कर सकते हैं अभी? If I want to plot this, same way we have to plot it like this. Let's plot it. Y of n is equals to, I'm just plotting it as y of n with respect to n, it is, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is the application of circular time shift property, because so if you want to do this example with the DFT also you can do it, but using property you will get the answer fast, or you will get the quick answer. So at 0 its amplitude is 1. So this is 1. और यहाँ पे 1 पे 0 है. Then 2 again it is 1. Okay. At 3 it will be 2. And at 4 it will be 2 again. So this is how we are plotted. ये नहीं लिखे तो भी चलता है. This 5 is also not required here. So this is how we are plotted. ठीक है? Any question here? Any doubt? Yes?
No, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? Or else this can be solved in different way also. इसका और एक तरीका भी हम solve कर सकते हैं इसको. So what is our sequence? सीक्वेंस क्या था अपना, एक्स ऑफ एन क्या था, कोई बताएंगे मुझे?
1 2 2 1 0.
1 2 2 1 0 था. Okay, here we know that y of n is equals to x of modulo n minus l. l यहाँ पे कितना था, 2 है, बराबर n is 5. तो अभी यहाँ पे what we are writing is like 2 value we need to shift. मतलब ये लास्ट के 2 क्या करो, write it down the first value, last 2 samples, we'll write it first 1 0 and then write followed by these values. So we'll write it as 1 2 2. इस तरीके भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं. This will help you for solving MCQ questions. लेकिन जब it is asked for like 5 marks or 6 marks, don't use this shortcut method. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
क्या किया मैंने, सिर्फ यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस का जो दिया हुआ है, I have taken as it is shifted by 2 samples. So last 2 samples I have taken first, and then remaining 3 samples I have written as it is. So this is what we are calling it as circular time shift of a sequence application, or we like by using the statement of circular time shift property, we have calculated the time domain sequence. Okay, so let us take one more example and try yourself. Let's see how many of you will do it. और एक क्वेश्चन ले लो. If the DFT of the sequence, hope everyone has understood this. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, you please note down the another question. Note down another question. If the DFT of the sequence, x of n, if the DFT of the sequence x of n is equals to x of n is equals to 1 2 1 1 minus 1 is x of k, is x of k. Plot the sequence 1 1, sorry, it's like here one more, 1 2 1 1 2 is there again here, one in between. Please just modify this question. यहाँ पे 1 comma 2 comma, this is 2 comma minus 1 is x of k. Plot the sequence whose DFT is y of k is equals to, plot the sequence whose DFT is y of k equals to e power minus j pi k for minus j pi k into x of k, into x of k, e power minus j pi k into x of k. Solution for this. Solution. Hope you all noted the question here. Question लिख लिया सब लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the capital N value here? You please tell me the capital N value.
1.
6.
6.
Yes, it is 6 because the given time domain sequence is of 6 samples. ठीक है? 1 कौन बोल रहे? What confusion you are having, madam? यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं दिया बोल के 1 बोल रहे आप शायद, right? Please don't get such confusions. So it is as it is given for 6 point value. So capital N will be 6. ठीक है? सबको clear हुआ? Why I am writing it 6? Is everyone is clear with this? Why it is 6? Or still any confusion? Now, what is a formula of circular convolution? We have x of modulo n minus L n is equals to, क्या फॉर्मूला अपना, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? What is the formula of circular time shift? Circular time shift फॉर्मूला क्या है? Please speak up fast. What is the formula? X of k
It's okay. E
e
raised
power
to
minus j
2 pi k L by
minus j 2 pi k L by n. ठीक है, तो अभी हमें ये जो वैल्यू है इसको हमें x के साथ कंपेयर करके y ऑफ n का इक्वेशन आइडेंटिफाई करना है, राइट? तो अभी n का वैल्यू हमें पता चला, राइट? So you need to modify this equation in such a way that you should get this above value. तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, कोई बताइए मुझे? How we can modify this so that I can find the value of x of k? X of k will remain same. E power minus j, ये तो अपना फॉर्मूला है 2 pi k. अभी n का वैल्यू हमें पता है, तो l क्या होगा अभी? This is a question mark for you.
3.
What will be the value of l? Hello, can I get other responses? What will be the value of L? बाकी लोग भी आंसर दे सकते हैं. From boys side, can anyone give me the answer? Boys, कोई दे सकते हैं मुझे आंसर? यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा वैल्यू लिखना है कि अगर मैंने उसको सिंप्लीफाई करे तो भी ये चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दिस शुड नॉट गेट चेंज. तो ये आना एक्सपेक्टेड है हमें. तो क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे?
I
हाँ,
2 sir.
3.
someone is telling 2, someone is telling 5, someone is telling 3. चलो, I mean 2. हाँ, which one is
3.
correct?
3.
2 कौन बोल रहे हैं? So based on what you are deciding 2, madam? Hello. So let's have a discussion on that part. Until and unless you are not getting that point, so you are not able to solve the example. So 2 is on
No,
what
sir.
basis?
So मतलब सर 3 से हिलती था.
पक्का? हाँ,
पक्का
because
सर.
it is 3. 3 अगर हम यहाँ पे रखेंगे तो 2 into 3 6 कैंसल हुआ, तो e पावर माइनस जे पैके राहणार. आप लोग गिवन इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होतो तिथं, बराबर? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
In that case, what is the value of L now here? So I can write y of n is equals to, L का वैल्यू कितना हुआ अभी? x of modulo n minus 3 6 आ गया अभी. तो इसके वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आप लोग अभी? Can you calculate the values 0 to 5? Y of
Yes,
0,
sir.
y of, you please calculate. Let's see. You just calculate y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3, y of 4, and y of 5. Let's see how many of you will calculate. So till that time, I will take attendance also. Okay. What is the answer? Answer आ गया अभी सबका?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Or else I
1.
will write directly like y of n. Just a minute. Let me write directly y of n. Yes, y of n is equals to क्या आया 1 2
2 -1
हाँ
1
हाँ
2
Hmm.
1
1 ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वाई ऑफ एन आंसर. और एल्स अगर इसके साथ आपको लिखना है तो लास्ट 3 सैंपल्स फर्स्ट लिखेंगे तो 1 2 -1 followed by 1 2 1. तो सेम ही आंसर. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. होप everyone has got this. So this is
yes sir.
about the examples related to circular time shift. So thank you. I'm going to close the session here. You can leave the session now.